In today's video, I'm going to teach you about queues in Salesforce, specifically how to create them and assign records to them. Understanding queues in Salesforce is essential for enhancing collaboration among your team members. Queues act as holding areas for records, which allows multiple users to share responsibility for working on these records. This can apply to various objects like leads, cases, tasks, and even custom objects. So let's delve into creating a queue. First, you'll want to navigate to the gear icon in Salesforce and select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. This will lead you to the backend settings of Salesforce where you can make various configurations. Once you're there, take advantage of the Quick Find box, a handy tool provided by Salesforce to speed up your navigation. Simply type in queues. After typing queues, you'll see it appear under the Users section. Click on it to proceed. Now, you're in the Queues Setup page. Here, you'll find an option to create a new queue. Click on the New button to get started. Now it's time to fill out the queue details. This part is crucial because it sets the foundation for how this queue will operate. First, assign a label to your queue. This is essentially the name of the queue that will be visible to users. An example could be Sales Support Queue. Once you've entered the label, you'll notice the queue name field begins to auto-generate an API name for your queue. That's a default action by Salesforce, so you don't need to modify it unless necessary. Next, if you'd like the queue to send email notifications when records are assigned, make sure to fill in the queue email address. This is optional but can be beneficial for keeping everyone informed of record assignments. Now decide which objects this queue will manage. This is done through the Supported Objects section. You'll see a list where you can select what kind of records or objects like leads, cases, or any custom objects you see this queue will handle. Select the objects most relevant to your team's needs. The next step is to add users, public groups, or roles who will have access to this queue. This is important because only the members you add can view or take ownership of the records in the queue. Think carefully about who should have such access to ensure effective record management. Once you have everything set up, go ahead and click Save. With the queue now created, head over to either lead assignment rules or case assignment rules depending on what kind of records you're working with. It's time to create or edit an assignment rule. Within these rules, you'll have an Assign To field. Here, you'll choose the newly created queue instead of a specific user. This step finalizes that any new records coming in will be directed to the queue for your team to handle. Don't forget to click Save again to ensure your changes are implemented. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a queue in Salesforce and directed records into it. This setup will surely facilitate improved collaboration among your team members.